After heavy winter rains, sandy flats in the California deserts are carpeted by wildflowers and solid fields of golden yellow blooms. Before the rain arrived, this same location looked very different. Once the annual plants germinate and start to flower, it's a race to complete a full life cycle before the summer heat comes. Caterpillars, beetles, wasps, and desert harvestmen are also in a hurry. A locally abundant source of nectar and other food is Geraea canescens, the desert sunflower. Desert sunflower may also be found growing with other desert annuals, such as sand verbena and dune primrose, creating a mixed floral display. Desert sunflower is in the Asteraceae, or aster family. In this family, what looks like one flower is actually a composite head of many individual flowers. The desert sunflower has both ray and disc flowers. It can be helpful to notice that the rays at the periphery of the head have 3 shallow lobes, and the central disc flowers are golden yellow. In this dissected view, we see there is a palea, that is a scale-like membranous bract that subtends an individual flower, folded around each disc flower ovary. Another feature that helps to distinguish the desert sunflower from many desert-dwelling members of its family is the lack of a style in the ray flowers, which are sterile. The disc flower ovaries will develop into flattened fruits that have ciliate or hairy outer margins. The phyllaries, or involucral bracts, at the outer base of the head are linear to narrowly lanceolate and are in 2 to 3 series. They are conspicuously white hairy, and the tips are acute or pointed. The white hairs might help you remember the generic name of Geraea, which comes from the Greek root for old. You might think of Geraea as the geriatric sunflower. This annual plant can have many branches and grows up to 2.5 feet tall. The leaves of desert sunflower are simple, alternate, and coarsely hairy. Desert sunflower is pollinated by an assortment of insects, including bees and butterflies. In California, desert sunflower grows on sandy desert soils in the Sonoran and Mojave Desert and is a common member of wide-sweeping wildflower displays. The desert sunflower is very closely related to 2 other spectacularly showy genera of the deserts, Encelia, including the shrubby brittlebush of rocky desert habitats, and Enceliopsis, including the magnificent Panamint daisy. Thanks for watching and learning how to identify the desert sunflower, just one of the many spectacular wildflowers found in California's deserts.